A major global shipping giant may be preparing a 2 billion euro bet on artificial intelligence and warehouse automation. Shipping and logistics leader AP Moller Maersk is reportedly exploring a 2.1 billion euro acquisition of a German automated warehousing and logistics technology company. While the deal has not been officially confirmed, industry reports suggest negotiations may already be underway. The rumored target is believed to specialize in AI-driven warehouse systems, including robotic picking and sorting, smart inventory management, predictive analytics for supply chains, automated fulfillment centers. These technologies are becoming essential for modern logistics operations. If completed, the acquisition could strengthen automation across major European logistics hubs such as Bremerhaven, Rotterdam, and Hamburg. These ports are among the busiest cargo gateways connecting global shipping routes with European distribution networks. Maersk has been transforming itself from a traditional shipping company into a fully integrated logistics provider. Artificial intelligence is increasingly used in the industry for route optimization, predictive maintenance, warehouse automation, real-time cargo tracking. The goal is to create faster and more resilient supply chains. In recent years, Maersk has invested heavily in logistics technology and warehouse automation. Through its terminal operator APM Terminals, the company is also upgrading major European ports to handle increasing cargo volumes. For now, the reported 2.1 billion euro bid remains unconfirmed. The companies involved have not publicly commented, and the deal could still face due diligence, negotiations, or regulatory review within the European Union. But if the acquisition moves forward, it could mark another major step in Maersk's strategy to build a technology-driven global logistics network. For more global logistics, business, and technology updates, follow Pashunaath Finance News.